What's good, my people? It's another new month, new opportunities. As you can see right now, my Binance has $5,072, guys. What it means here, it's that if we convert $5,000 into Nigerian money right now, 5,000, that is 71,882,000. Okay, it's 7,188,252. 7 million into Nigerian money. If we convert to Kenyan money, guys, if we convert to Kenyan money, it will be 66. It's 645,544. If we convert to Cameroon currency, guys, Cameroon, so we put 5,000 here. That is 285,000. No, 28. 20, I don't know, guys. It's a lot of money anyway. If we convert to Ugandan shillings, UGX, we put 5,000. That is 174. That's 17,416,293, guys. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is dollars, when you convert dollars to your local currency, you definitely get a lot of money which can make a difference in your life. So today, guys, on this video, I did not come here to show you my balance. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to make this kind of money. As you can see today, I had a deposit of 5,000 USDT to my address here. This is the address. And how did I make that money, guys? Let's go. Let me show you. In my Binance account, Binance is this, guys. Let me show you Binance. Binance, you need to go to binancebi.com, binunz.com, or binu.app. Okay, so this is the binance.app, guys. So this is where I made all the money from. So this is the app, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do. Binance is a regulated trading exchange. You can see their verification certificate is here. Everything is provided and it's very safe. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, and I do not encourage it as a financial advice. But if you do what I'm doing exactly, you are going to make it right. So guys, without wasting time, let's go to my Binance account, and then we go to withdrawal history. As you can see today, I did a withdrawal of 5,000 USDT, which has already confirmed, and I did the withdrawal right on today, guys. You can see I sent the to destination address, my address, and if we go to my account, I received the same amount to my address today. So guys, and I have done multiple trades. If we can go to transaction history here, you can see today I did multiple trades that were being confirmed. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you just a simple way. You can see right now my portfolio is 800 USDT, and I have done multiple trades. So what I'm going to do, guys, today is to show you how you can make a passive income with my method that is working 100%. So the first step, guys, you need to buy USDT. You need to buy USDT on Binance, on Ox, or on Bybit, anywhere. You can see right now I have 5,000. So because I already have 5,000 USDT, I'm going to use 1,000 only to show you how you can turn it to 1,200 USDT, or to more than that. Okay, so the first step, guys, we are going to spot a trading P2P. We need to trade on P2P, guys. So you need to log into your account, or if you have not logged in, you create account. After creating account, guys, you go to what we call P2P trading, and then you click on sell, and you put amount 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, you look for a vendor that has high rates. You see this one has 1.22. So if I sell 1,000 here, I'm going to definitely get 1,215. See that? That's a 215 fee. No, not fee actually, but profit. So that's how actually you spot the trading on crypto P2P. So you see, these vendors are being refreshed every time because of the market liquidity. You can see the vendor right now that I had is already gone, and already it has changed. So what you need before you spot a vendor, you need to deposit amount in your account. So how do you deposit? You click these three dots, you go to wallet, you click deposit, USDT 1,000, amount is 1,000 USDT, guys, and then you click on continue. Now you need to copy this address that they have given you here, and then you go to your OX or your Binance or any exchange you're using, and then you click on send. You click on choose on-chain withdraw USDT, guys. Follow me step by step. You long press that address and paste, and then network you put that Tron TRC, and amount is 1,000, guys. So because of one fee dollar, I put 1,001. So the address can receive 1,000 in total. So I'll click again withdraw, and then confirm. So now I need to confirm my my verification. Remember, this is your secret, don't show any. So now I confirm my secret key here. We don't show anyone your verification codes. This is your secret. So now the withdrawal has been sent. So now, guys, what you need to do here, you take a screenshot of that screenshot, and then you go back here on your Binance and you upload that screenshot like that. And then, guys, after uploading, you click submit. It's very easy, just like that. So now the deposit is on the blockchain and is being verified and will be funded in a few minutes to come. So let's give it a few, like 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll get back and continue. So guys, it has been 2 minutes now. If I go to my account and refresh, you can see the amount has been credited. So now if I go back to my Binance account, so if I go back here and then click on a wallet, you see now on my funding wallet, I have 1,200. Previously I had 200 here, but I deposited 1,000 and now it's 1,200, guys. Okay. So now what we need to do, because we have 1,200, but let me not trade all of the amount here. Let me trade only what I promised you, which is 1,000, guys. So you can see that the profit is really working, and this is a real thing. It's working 100%. So if you go to click on the three dots here, and then you go to wallet, no, not wallet, actually, you go to P2P, just like we did. Because we deposited, we are not buying, now we are selling. So you click on sell, guys. Okay. After clicking sell, guys, you go down here, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency, and then amount you put 1,000. Follow me, it's very clear. And then now we need to spot the vendor who has the highest rate. You can see this one is 1.12. That's not good. So we need to find one with at least 1.2. Okay. So we need to load more vendors. Yes, I have this one, 1.121. So once you get the vendor, you need to click sell immediately. Once you click sell, it's all spotted for you and it can't move away. So then we put 1,000 here. Okay, so you see now I will get 1,214. So, and then I'll click continue payment now. Now here on payment, you choose USDT. This is where you receive the amount, guys. If I go back to my Binance now and put my address there. So what I will need to do, you see now my balance is 4,000 here. So I'll go on chain deposit. Now I want to put the address where I will receive the whole amount because I'm selling. So I will copy this address, guys, and then I will go back here and paste and then submit. Okay, very nice. You can see now it's submitted and I'm waiting for the vendor to pay me to the address that I have given him or her. So this is the address and the trade is on. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to pay me. Thank you, guys. I will be back in a few minutes when the vendor has paid. You can see the minimum limit is 30 minutes. If the vendor doesn't pay in 30 minutes, you can cancel. And if the vendor clicks paid and he hasn't paid, you can always come here and report this trade and you will be refunded. So let's wait. So guys, it has been a few minutes now. Let me reload this page and see. Released now. You see it says that the transaction has been released by Miguel Fernandez 64 and successfully added to your wallet. So guys, once you see this page has been reloaded like that, it is usually automatic because the network will always detect whether the vendor has paid or not. What you need to do is check your wallet if it's credited. Okay, so what I will do now, I will head back to my Binance and see if I have been credited. You see, yeah, I have been credited 1,214. So guys, that is a simple 214 uh, uh, $214 profit in about 11 minutes, guys. So if I repeat this 10 trades per day, that is $2,140 in a day. Thank if there will be good market prices. You see, sometimes the markets fluctuate. You see, when you go to P2P here, sometimes you might get, sometimes the market is bad and you are not getting any profit. So you can't even trade. So you need always to follow me on my Telegram channel, and I post the time to trade, and also you can also text me. This is my TikTok account. On my TikTok, you go there and text me. Also, this is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is here, guys. This is my YouTube channel. Always, this link is in my Telegram. Also, you can come and watch many videos here and support me as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and happy new month and Merry Christmas in advance. See you again, guys.